Welcome back to Just for Funulk. Today we're diving into the world of racing cars, the fastest, coolest machines on the planet. We'll see cars that look like spaceships, jump over hills, and even tower over grown-ups. From shiny city tracks to bumpy forest roads, it's a worldwide racing tour. Grab your favorite toy car and get ready to start your engines. Buckle up, let's race into the action. Get ready to witness the pinnacle of motorsport engineering. First up, we're diving into the exhilarating world of Formula One cars. These machines represent the cutting edge of automotive technology, pushing the boundaries of speed and performance. They look like rockets on wheels, sleek and aggressive, designed to slice through the air with minimal resistance. Every curve and contour serves a purpose, contributing to their incredible speed and agility. And check out those wings. They aren't just for show, they're crucial for generating downforce, which is like an invisible force that pushes them down onto the track. This increased grip allows them to maintain incredible speeds through corners. This downforce is what allows them to zoom around corners at crazy speeds, defying gravity and leaving other race cars in their wake. It's a true testament to the power of aerodynamic engineering. Made from super light, super strong carbon fiber, these cars are incredibly rigid and responsive. This advanced material allows engineers to create complex shapes that maximize aerodynamic efficiency while minimizing weight. Every component is meticulously crafted and optimized to achieve one goal. These cars are built for speed. From the engine to the tires, everything is designed to extract every last ounce of performance. Drivers sit in tiny cockpits, surrounded by a complex array of controls and displays. It's a high-pressure environment where split-second decisions can make the difference between victory and defeat. And of course, safety is paramount. Drivers wear special suits and helmets for safety, designed to protect them in the event of a crash. These suits are fire-resistant and can withstand extreme impacts. Formula One races happen all over the world on twisty circuits, each with its own unique challenges and characteristics. These tracks demand precision, skill, and bravery from the drivers. Take Monaco's city streets, for example, a narrow and unforgiving track where overtaking is notoriously difficult. It's a true test of a driver's ability to navigate tight corners and avoid contact with the barriers. Or Silverstone in the UK, a high-speed circuit with long straights and sweeping corners. It's a favorite among drivers and fans alike, known for its thrilling races and unpredictable weather. But it's not just about the drivers. Teams work together like a pit-stop pit crew, a well-oiled machine of mechanics and engineers. Their coordination and efficiency can make or break a race. They're capable of changing tires in just 2 seconds. It's an incredible feat of teamwork and precision, showcasing the dedication and skill of the pit crew. It's all about technology, teamwork, and strategy. Engineers analyze data, strategists plan pit stops, and mechanics ensure the car is running at its best. Ultimately, it's about pushing the limits and going as fast as possible. Formula One is a relentless pursuit of speed, where every millisecond counts. Formula One cars are some of the fastest in the world, reaching speeds of over 200 miles per hour. It's a breathtaking spectacle to witness these machines in action. Just imagine driving one. The adrenaline rush, the G-forces, the sheer speed, it's an experience unlike any other. So what color would your F1 car be? Would you go for a classic racing red, a sleek silver, or something completely unique? The choice is yours. Now let's check out NASCAR in America. These stock cars look like street cars, but are built for tough, high-speed racing. NASCAR races happen on huge oval tracks with up to 40 cars racing side by side. Drivers use drafting, following closely behind another car to go even faster. The Daytona 500 is the most famous race, with cars covered in colorful sponsor stickers and big numbers. NASCAR is all about power, strategy, and wheel-to-wheel action. The racing is loud, close, and super exciting. If you love roaring engines and big crowds, NASCAR is for you. What number would you put on your NASCAR? Get ready to kick up some dust because it's time to get muddy. We're diving headfirst into the thrilling world of rally racing, where precision driving meets unpredictable terrain. Buckle up with rally cars. These aren't your average Sunday drivers. These are specialized machines built for one purpose: conquering the most challenging off-road courses imaginable. These adventurers don't stick to the pavement. They race on real roads, unpaved, unforgiving, and utterly exhilarating, blasting through forests where trees become blurred streaks of green. They tackle scorching deserts, where sand dunes rise like mountains, testing the limits of both car and driver. The heat is intense, the visibility is low, and the stakes are incredibly high. And they don't shy away from extreme weather either, powering through snow and mud. These conditions demand ultimate control and unwavering focus. At first glance, rally cars look like regular cars, perhaps something you'd see on your daily commute. But don't be fooled. They are built tough, reinforced from the ground up, with special suspension designed to absorb massive impacts and keep the car stable on even the roughest terrain. Inside, a robust roll cage protects the driver and co-driver, while outside, aggressive tires for any surface provide the grip needed to conquer any challenge. In rally racing, cars don't line up side by side for a mass start. Instead, cars start one by one, launched into the course at timed intervals. Each driver is racing against the clock, not directly against each other. It's a test of individual skill, consistency, and the ability to push the car to its absolute limit. Every driver has a co-driver, their partner in this high-speed dance with danger. The co-driver is constantly shouting out directions using pace notes, a detailed roadmap of the course ahead, calling out every turn, jump, and obstacle. Communication is key. Teamwork is everything. The driver and co-driver must work in perfect sync to navigate the treacherous terrain. One moment you're flying through a dense forest, the trees whizzing by in a blur of green. The next you're sliding sideways on a snowy mountain, battling for grip on the icy surface. Rallying isn't just about speed, it's about smart strategy and adapting to wild conditions. You have to be prepared for anything Mother Nature throws your way. The scenery is breathtaking, but the challenges are relentless. The terrain is always changing, demanding constant adjustments and unwavering focus. And let's be honest, seeing a rally car catch air and jump through the air is epic. It's a sight that will leave you breathless. These drivers and co-drivers aren't just racers. They are true adventurers, pushing the limits of what's possible behind the wheel. With its unpredictable courses, high-flying action, and constant challenges, rally racing is like a real-life video game. Ready for pure speed? Meet Dragsters, the kings of straight-line racing. These long, skinny cars have tiny front wheels, giant back wheels, and engines so powerful they shake the ground. Two cars race side by side on a drag strip, blasting off when the light turns green. The race is over in less than 4 seconds. Blink and you'll miss it. Dragsters use parachutes to stop because their brakes can't handle the speed. Winning is all about lightning-fast reactions. Everything about a dragster is extreme, from the shape to the engine. It's the ultimate test of acceleration. Who can go from 0 to super fast the quickest? Now for the ultimate endurance test, Le Mans prototype cars. These futuristic racers compete in the 24 hours of Le Mans in France, racing all day and night. Teams of 3 drivers take turns, pushing their cars through sunshine, darkness, and sunrise. The goal? Complete the most laps in 24 hours. Pit crews refuel, change tires, and fix problems in record time. Le Mans is about speed, stamina, and reliability. Driving at night with just headlights is a huge challenge. Winning Le Mans is one of motorsport's greatest achievements. These cars are true endurance heroes. Where do racing champions start? In go-karts. Go-karts are small, low, and super fun, perfect for learning how to race. The steering is super responsive, teaching you to be smooth and precise. Sitting close to the ground makes even a small track feel fast. Many famous drivers began in go-karts as kids. It's the first step to becoming a racing star. Go-karting is all about fun, learning, and the thrill of the race. You don't need a giant car to have a giant amount of fun. Buckle up and get ready for some high-octane action. Let's zoom into the world of IndyCar racing. We're diving deep into a sport where speed, precision, and a little bit of daring combine to create some of the most exciting motorsport on the planet. Get ready to witness the raw power and incredible skill that define IndyCar. These open-wheel cars with their sleek designs and exposed tires might look a bit like Formula One cars at first glance. But don't be fooled. Beneath the surface, there are some key differences that set them apart. While sharing the open-wheel concept, IndyCars have their own distinct style and engineering philosophy. From the chassis design to the aerodynamic packages, every detail is carefully crafted to optimize performance on both ovals and road courses. These subtle differences contribute to the unique character of IndyCar racing. And speaking of unique, the Indy 500 is the biggest race in the IndyCar calendar and arguably one of the most prestigious motorsport events in the world. It's a grueling challenge, 500 miles around a giant oval, testing the limits of both car and driver. The Indianapolis Motor Speedway is a legendary venue, steeped in history and tradition, making the Indy 500 a truly special event. And the winner? Well, they celebrate in a way you won't see anywhere else, by drinking milk. It's a quirky but beloved tradition that adds to the charm of this iconic race. To keep the competition tight and exciting, IndyCar teams use the same main chassis, which levels the playing field and puts the emphasis on strategy and driver talent. This standardization means that racing is super close, with drivers constantly battling for position. And ultimately, it all comes down to driver skill and split-second decisions. The racing is intense, with drivers often racing side by side, inches apart, pushing their cars and their skills to the absolute limit. And they're doing it at incredible speeds, often exceeding 220 miles per hour. The sheer velocity is breathtaking. But Indy cars aren't just about oval tracks. They also race on twisty road courses, demanding a different set of skills and strategies. And for an extra dose of excitement, they even tear through city streets, navigating tight corners and challenging chicanes. This diverse range of tracks means that drivers must master every type of circuit, from the high-speed ovals to the technical road courses and the unforgiving street circuits. It's a true test of versatility, demanding adaptability and exceptional car control, as well as raw speed. IndyCar racing is thrilling, fast-paced, and steeped in tradition, offering a unique blend of old-school charm and cutting-edge technology. With nail-biting close finishes and unique victory celebrations, it's a spectacle that's not to be missed. The drama and excitement are always turned up to 11. IndyCars are American speedsters at their absolute best, showcasing the pinnacle of motorsport engineering and driving talent. Ever seen a race car that looks like your family's sedan? That's a touring car. These cars start as regular four-door sedans, then get powerful engines and safety upgrades. Touring car racing is famous for close, action-packed battles and lots of bumping. They race on twisty tracks, sliding through corners and fighting for every inch. Fans love cheering for cars that look like their own. Touring cars prove you don't need a wild design for wild racing. Time to go big, monster trucks. These giants have massive wheels and wild designs. Monster truck events are all about racing and jaw-dropping stunts. They crush cars, fly through the air, and do tricks like donuts and wheelies. Drivers use joysticks to steer for crazy moves. It takes real skill and guts to control these beasts. Monster trucks are pure entertainment. Big air, big fun, big wow. They're the giants of the racing world. Let's look at the future. Electric race cars. Formula E is the top electric racing series, with cars powered by big batteries instead of gas. They're almost silent, racing through city streets with a cool whizzing sound. Formula E has attack mode for extra power, like a video game power-up. Electric cars accelerate super fast and are getting better every year. Racing can be fast, exciting, and eco-friendly. The future of racing is electric, and it's awesome. What a racing adventure! We saw everything from Formula One rockets to monster trucks and electric racers. Racing is all about fun, learning, and safety. Drivers always wear special gear. Whether you're on a track or playing at home, remember, be safe and have fun. Tell us your favorite race car in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!